Earth to Evan.
Hello, John.
All right, let's hit the road. All right, so this is our driveway right here. Check this out. I'm gonna try not to break my car right now. Metal on metal sounds are good because it's not my oil pan. This way? Yeah. Now we gotta go this way. I'm gonna fucking send it. This is awful. Oh my gosh. Do you know which way to go? Because I don't have GPS.
I think it's left.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go that way. Shit ass driveway. I don't know where we're going, but we're trying to go get coffee cafe. There's Evan back there. It's so cool to finally meet this guy. I hope that you guys get to enjoy the videos too, because it's pretty cool that we get to do a collab. All right, we made it to Wookies in the Woods. Mark 8 Evan.
We are in the
We
woods.
got Mr. Modfather.
Hello! Modfather.
And
That's fun. Oh, no.
we're gonna walk around and check everything out. I want us to check out Charles's.
Yeah, we gotta go check out the RS3.
Yeah, so it's literally just cars all over this little area. And I've never been here, so it's pretty cool to see this. This thing is so crazy. Aza GLI 2028. Mark 7 Jaden. I think that's his Instagram. His name's Jaden. I don't know his Instagram. I'm sorry, Jaden. This is my favorite red GTI.
His is so clean.
It's good too. The RS6. Shout out ECS for all the hookups. A lot more content coming soon with ECS. With Autry, Lux Garage.
So you walk and suck
So we're all
in.
chilling, going for a little adventure. We're walking over to the ACM Technic booth right now. Yeah, we're all chilling.
So like, if I don't fit, I just look
No.
down, John.
Break it down.
This is so cool. I've never been to Wookies before, so this is an interesting experience. We need to stay out here next year because this place is way better than our fucking cabin. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, running through the skies. Little Einsteins. Getting your TCU cracked?
Getting my TCU cracked. This is so much better than GAT.
Yeah.
Because GAT was just mayhem.
It was for the most part.
This is chill.
Yeah.
I never actually even went to the Slammed Enough event. We're
I
just
didn't
on the
either.
strip. But this is like the vibes here. So cool.
Yeah. Oh, we have new people here. We have Hola. State yourself.
MK7 Chris on Instagram.
Mark 7 Mal, you know what it is.
Yeah, you know what it is. And those idiots know who I am.
Mullet Man.
Yo!
And this is
Ultra Mark 7.
Ultra Mark 7.
See, we gotta get my reaction to your car.
My car's right there.
I'm about to queef.
You're about to queef?
Yo.
Blur that out.
So we just going 5 deep in here?
Yeah.
6 deep in here?
Trunk. Yeah, you can just hang out in the trunk.
Yeah, open the trunk up. Sorry, I'm trying not to get your stuff
Yeah,
dirty.
there's not really much room.
It's just like my car.
Where are we going?
Oh my god.
Huh?
If I leave the hatch open, is that a problem?
Where are we going right now?
5 deep.
Woo!
We've got John. Evan's over there.
Mullet Man.
Yo.
What's your name?
Paul.
Paul? Oh, my
I
eyes
think we've
are
got to turn
burning.
around.
What's done to your GTI, Nick?
Stage 2, full bolt on. There was E, but now it's not anymore.
Downpipe tune the world?
Yep.
Custom
The best way to do it.
titanium intake.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It looked good as fuck.
I want to see that.
Initially?
There's just Volkswagens
Yeah, like right when we pulled
everywhere.
out.
Like everywhere you look around this village right now, there are
And a Nissan
Volkswagens.
Leaf.
And a Nissan Leaf. This is pretty cool though. Next year we definitely got to try to stay out in this area, I think. Still trying to find the UM house, but we'll get there eventually because we don't know how to navigate around here.
It's like the fastest
Evan, how do you feel right now?
Feeling great.
That's my pops.
Feeling good?
See what's going on with UN.
Seeing what's going on? Y'all be safe.
Yep.
Enjoy. Bye, Evan. We're never gonna see this guy again. Big turbo GTI with
Basically, the
ethanol.
hardware stuff is
So he's gonna see the sauce. How you feeling, big guy?
Dude, this thing moves. This thing boogies. This thing boogies. Holy.
I think he enjoyed it.
Airbox.
Honestly, I'm debating on keeping the stock
map
airbox.
sensor too.
Wow.
It's stock map sensor.
Wow.
That's impressive.
Damn, he already has a mail.
Shit. Stock airbox, but fucking.
Is it faster in your car?
One I was thinking about the
Yeah.
Sorry, bud.
Oh, it's definitely faster in my car. I know, no question.
Well. Chilling at the dam, cause damn, this dam's pretty cool, don't you think? We got Christian Mao. I'm gonna never get that right for the rest of my life, but Glizzy. Got some cool ass Golf R right here. And then we got the two Mark 8 twinsies, and then the United Motorsports car. And then Mr. Duck's Garage, he's here too. Jump in again?
Yeah, I will.
You will?
Yeah.
Yes. Chad, he's gonna jump in the water.
Do it off the high dive.
Let's go.
Going this way.
I'm not jumping off the fucking hot dog. There's so many rocks over there.
Better jump in the water.
How much money? Ready?
We're ready.
Oh my god. It was like a half flip, bitch.
Dude, this is so scenic though.
That was the most scenic backflip you've ever hit.
This is definitely the bleed out spot.
Or front flip.
A little chilly to be jumping in the water, but maybe next time.
You're a little Wookie in the water. I need a Porsche.
Me too, bro. That's a Wookie in the woods, fellas.
That Wookie is in the woods.
So we are back here now. We've been hanging out. We met a dude with a roof tent on his GLI, which is fucking crazy. You'll see some videos of that on TikTok and stuff. But it is the like bonfire event, and so we're just kind of hanging out. We're going to check out the Miltech booth. Charles's Daza Golf R is over there, so it should be pretty cool to go see. This is so cool.
You be touching shit.
I'll touch you all night long. And
got
you.
that.
And Mark 7 John.
Okay, all right, we got that on 4K. Holy shit, boys! We are on the Fontana Dam.
Damn.
Damn.
Oh, I've been recording for 14 minutes.
Damn. That's even more damn. Damn. Get it? Damn. This is crazy. Holy moly. Whoa, that is a long way down. Yo. That is insane. Evan, come check this out.
Oh my god.
Dude,
What the fuck?
that's a long way.
That's terrifying.
Dude, that is insane. Guys, this is really fucking cool though. The actual like dam command center, I guess, is over there. But this is like the power, I guess the power area. And then there's like some buildings down there and stuff. And then I guess this side's all water, right?
Yeah. It's the lake.
Oh, this is the lake. And you can't see anything at night because it's pitch black. But got the Mark 8 GTI, Mark 7.5 GLI. And we're just kind of hanging out. But we decided to check this out before we are going back to our B&B. So we ended up actually getting a new place to stay because of stuff that I'll explain maybe later when we get back to the Airbnb. But basically, long story short, there was a bunch of filth. So they hooked us up with a new place, and we got to head back to grab our stuff, and then we'll be headed there. But we decided to come check this out before we go. So